Hey, welcome to the Overlanding Mixology bar. We're out here on the trail. We're gonna make a Metal Tech Smoked Cherry Manhattan. The four main ingredients we're gonna need is a good quality bourbon, Amarena cherries in a heavy syrup, a quality vermouth that's fresh, and a good quality bitters. We're gonna take our mixing glass, bourbon, vermouth, small amount of vermouth. We're going to be taking our bitters. We're going to put a couple shakes of bitters in there. We're going to be taking the cherry juice from our Amaretto cherries. A couple spoonfuls of that in there. And we're shaking the cocktail. Now we got to get our smoke ready. We're going to take our stick of material, just wood that'll fit inside the bottle. It's a little windy where we're at. Got our wood burning. Wood is burning right there. We're going to take our bottle. We're going to take our part and put that inside the bottle. And we're going to fill the bottle with smoke. Being careful to not let the wind blow the smoke directly out of the bottle. And when that's done, I'm going to take our bottle stopper. I got a bottle of smoke now. And then I'm going to get my drink ready. And we're going to infuse it into our smoke. We're going to be quick about it so we don't lose our smoke in the wind. I'm going to use a small funnel. Add our drink to our smoke. And now we have our smoke with our drink, and we're going to infuse it with the smoke. Now the longer you leave it in there with the smoke, the smokier the drink's going to get. I'm going to prepare 2 cherries because you got to have 2. I'm going to ice the cherries right on top because as I pour the drink, I'm going to be pouring the drink directly over the top of the cherries. And now we're going to serve. Oregon Smoked Cherry Manhattan. That's good. It's 11:30. All right, this is the Outpost Off-Road or the Outpost Ginger Peach. Another drink that's going to take some flame. We got good quality bourbon, peach schnapps, ginger beer, sugar, and a couple of marshmallows. Okay, we're going to start with our mixing glass. We're going to have our bourbon ready. We're going to start off by prepping our marshmallows. And we're going to do a single marshmallow for this drink. We're going to put it on our skewer as such. And I'm going to pour the bourbon over the top of the marshmallow as I add it in. We're going to do about 1 ounce or so of bourbon. I got a bourbon soaked marshmallow that's going to come over here and it's going to play in the sugar. So we're going to sugar coat this marshmallow. We're going to now take our peach schnapps. We're going to add our peach schnapps to it. And then we're going to take our quality ginger beer. We're going to put that in for the balance of the rest of the drink. And that's off to the side. Now I can go ahead and mix it. And this is now pressurized. So the brulee of the marshmallow, we've already got it soaked in sugar. And it's very simple. Everybody's toasted a marshmallow before. So you're just going to toast the marshmallow. And I'm going to use our torch to toast our marshmallow. And we're bruleeing the sugar, caramelizing the sugar. And what we're doing here is we're just making our bruleed toasted marshmallow, which brings out all that caramel and wonderful marshmallow taste.
That smells really good.
So you take this, add our drink. That is our Outpost Off-Road Ginger Peach. Cheers. That's so good. Take a little nibble of it as you eat it. So we got our Overlanding Mixology Kit that we used, and something we don't normally give away. So this is a special bag that's designed for carrying all of your overlanding drinks. So you can put all your small bottles, all your mixing gear inside of it. But this kit is going to be 2 Metal Tech highball glasses. We got the stainless steel mixing cup with a stainless steel strainer and a small tactical cutting knife for prepping your garnishes. All that's going to be included with the Metal Tech kit. That's what I've been using for our drink examples we've been doing. This kit is available. We're going to give this away. This very kit is going to be given away to one person. Information on how to enter is in the description below. And we're going to be giving it away on January 3rd, 2023. We'll do a live announcement and give away the Overlanding Mixology Kit. Somebody can be kitted up, ready to go for this coming season.